Well, guys, today is, how old are they? 5 weeks tomorrow. Our little babies are going to be 5 weeks tomorrow. Little Pekingese puppies. We got 3 boys and 3 girls. And they like to play. This is the first time they've been outside. Such cute little shits.
Mama baby. Come on.
Where's Peanut at?
Peanut. Peanut. She's over on her sister biting the shit out of her.
There's Peanut over there. The brown one.
Peanut.
You can't get up. Hey, little one, where are you going? The grass is taller than you are. Uh-oh. Here comes Big Brother to check him out.
Peanut.
Hi, Junior. Hi, Junior.
Peanut. Come on. Mama baby.
Here comes
Mama
Peanut.
baby.
Here comes Peanut.
Peanut.
She come in second.
Yeah, Mama baby.
Hey, you knocked the pop over, you goofy shit.
Peanut, no.
Junior. Junior don't know what to think of him. He says, oh no.
Daniel.
Here comes Mama. Hi, Zaz. What you doing? Look in the camera. Hey, Sassy. Oh. Here's my mama. It's time to eat. It's time to eat. Zaz says, nope, I don't think so. Uh-oh. Come on, Rocky. Come on. Call that dumb fuck, will you?
Rocky. Pocket. Rocky.
Here comes the daddy. If you're wondering why the hair they look so weird, it's because we gave them haircuts. The 2 males. That's Rocky, and that's Junior. Junior's the first pup that Zazzy had. There's Zazzy. Sass, come on. Anyway, guys, just thought I would share them with you. Here in a couple weeks, so
Junior.
be old enough to find new homes. So
Mama baby.
they're AKC registered and everything. So anyway, guys, have a good one later.
Come on, Peanut. You're right.